In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI and BookCheat to come up with video ideas and then suggest ways that you can actually monetize those video ideas. Inside your bookcheat.com portal, we're going to go ahead and look for the template called video ideas. Now, inside this area, you just want to say what you're good at. So if you're good at things like social media marketing, you would just enter social media marketing and do generate. It will come up with a video title for you. It will come up with the pain points of what your customers or your viewers would be effectively struggling with social media marketing. It will then give you some practical examples of how you can implement these sort of pain points and solutions into your video. It will then tell you the core focus, so where you want to be focusing and emphasizing the points in your video. It will tell you the recommended length, and then it will also show you ways or ideas on how you can monetize this independent video. Go ahead and head over to your bookcheat.com portal and try that out.